Here is our Muffin. She had beautiful 5 babies on 14 June, and Trapper is the daddy. She had 3 girls and 2 boys, and she is such a good girl. The first one, this is the Q litter. Oops. This one is not sure what it is. It's either a salt and pepper, but I believe this one is a liver pepper. It's a liver pepper, that band, and her name is Quizzy. Little Quizzy, a girl. And you see, she's gonna be liver pepper, so she's gonna get much lighter. They're gonna be small mini sizes. Quizzy. Then we have orange band, spoken for already. That's a liver and tan baby. Her name is Juanita. Come on, let's see her baby face. That's Juanita. She's gonna be a stunning liver tan baby. Little girl. Then we have Blue, that's a boy. His name is Quirky. He's a chocolate party. He's gonna be tiny. That's a chocolate party boy. Quirky. Oh, he just wiggles and wiggles and wiggles. Beautiful boy. Then we have cutesy yellow band. She is a liver party girl. Cutesy. I know, mommy. Got a little baby girl, strong, all of my healthy liver tan party. So that means chocolate. Liver means chocolate. Look at the little wrinkles on her nose. She is a liver pepper party. I see the peppering here. And then we have one more boy, green. His name is Quanto. He's a liver and tan boy. Liver tan. Just a day old. 1 day old. Good mommy. You're such a good mommy. Yes. Yes, you did good. It's early in the morning, 6:30. We do this before we take the doggies out. And that's it.